तो किस चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं आप? डाउनलोड कीजिए लेजेंडरी लेक्चर्स ऐप फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर।
Areas related to circles. So the first formula is perimeter or circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r, or it can also be written as pi into d, where d is the diameter and r is the radius of the circle. And in fact sometimes pi is also defined as the ratio of perimeter to the diameter of a circle. The next formula is to find area of a circle. Area of a circle is given by pi into r square, or you can say pi into d upon 2 whole square, where d is the diameter. Next we have area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is given by 1 by 2 pi r square. Next formula is for perimeter or circumference of a semicircle. Now this is tricky. If you have figure as shown here, then the perimeter will be pi r plus 2r, because base का perimeter भी आपको add up करना पड़ेगा. But if it is just an open semicircle, then it will be pi r, half of the perimeter of the circle. Next formula is to find area of a circular path or a ring. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक राउंड पार्क है, उसमें एक पाथ बना हुआ है, जिसको आप सोच सकते हैं इट इज कवर्ड बाय 2 कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. सपोज उनकी रेडियस इनर सर्कल की स्मॉल आर है, आउटर सर्कल की कैपिटल आर है. देन द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कुलर पाथ और रिंग विल बी गिवन बाय पाई कैपिटल आर स्क्वायर minus pi small r square, so it will be pi outside capital R square minus small r square, which is equal to pi capital R plus r into capital R minus small r. Next, look at the figure. Here a circle is there, and then AB is the minor arc. The sector formed by OAB is called the minor sector, and the other part is called the major sector, and you can say that the arc AQB is called the major arc. Now the length of the minor arc APB is given by theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r, because 2 pi r पूरे सर्कल का circumference है, तो उसको आप theta upon 360 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो माइनर आर्क की लेंथ मिल जाएगी. सो विच इज इक्वल टू पाई आर थीटा अपॉन 180 डिग्री. सिमिलरली लेंथ ऑफ द मेजर आर्क इज गिवन बाय 360 डिग्री माइनस थीटा अपॉन 360 डिग्री इंटू 2 पाई आर, विच यू कैन राइट एज पाई आर इंटू 360 डिग्री माइनस थीटा अपॉन 180 डिग्री. Here we have used the fact for the angle theta, the reflex angle will be 360 degree minus theta. Similarly, area of the minor sector OAB will be equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square, and the area of the major sector, that is AQB, is given by 360 degree minus theta upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. The perimeter of the minor sector will be pi r theta upon 180 degree plus 2r, and the perimeter of the major sector will be pi r 360 degree minus theta upon 180 degree plus 2r. Next we have the concept of minor segment as shown in the figure. The region enclosed by an arc and a chord is called a segment of the circle. The region enclosed by the chord AB and minor arc APB is called the minor segment. So as you can see, the shaded area is the area of minor segment, and it will be equal to area of the corresponding minor sector minus area of the corresponding triangle. Now area of corresponding sector will be nothing but 3 upon 360 degree into pi r square minus area of the corresponding triangle will be 1 by 2 into r square sin theta. because it is 1 by 2 base into height. So base will be the radius r and height will be using trigonometry r sin theta. And then you can find the area of major segment. It will be pi r square minus the area of the minor segment written above. So it is pi r square minus theta upon 360 degree into pi r square plus 1 by 2 r square into sin theta.
तो किस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हैं आप? डाउनलोड कीजिए लेजेंडरी लेक्चर्स ऐप फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर।